we got the beautiful, you know, studs in there. Those look great. They look good.
I point out the water.
Oh, the water dripping out of the fucking exhaust. That's good.
Fucking awesome.
And then, you know, your exhaust flange. It's fucking mint. It's real good. Real nice. What else is there, Brent?
Oh, well, we got gas.
Oh, we got gas.
We got gas everywhere. We got gas in here.
Gas in the radiator.
We got gas in the oils. I don't know what the transmission looks like. This is custom.
Oh, that's real custom.
This is real custom.
Yeah,
and a little bit of duct work. Always
nice.
Makes things real right.
It's always good.
Well,
yeah.
It's a good $500 find, though.
It's always a good color. You always want to see like a milky color when you check your oil. It's a pro tip.
Should we start it?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Start it up. Let her rip. Oh, real nice. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I don't have to go to Vegas. There's a water show here, guys. Oh, it's more interesting this way. Alright, go ahead. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, do that again. Do that again. Oh, yeah, that's real nice. Oh, yeah. There's water coming literally out of the cylinder.
Is it?
Yeah, so we'll just loosen that up a little bit. Not a big deal. That's normal. That is normal. Happens all the time. Hey, so you want to buy this thing? Sorry, it's too late, bud. You done bought it. Oh, wait, hold on. We'll put that back over a little bit, I guess. Alright, go ahead. Gotta spit that water out and she'll fire. It's so bad. You need some ether. The RTV head gasket's fucking mint though. It's real nice. Looks great.
Yeah, this definitely fucking looks good, don't it?
Looks real good.
Oh.
I can't see shit. I can't see.
I can't see.
Shit.
It's in my eyes.
We're on the road, damn near.
Hold on.
Do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale. Alright.
There's a parking stop right there.
Yes, there is.
I seen it.
Seen it coming in a little
God,
wide.
I'm gonna have to walk.
He did it for Dale.
I did it for Dale.
Do it for Dale.
You wanna do it again for Dale?
Do it again for Dale. Don't fucking hit nothing.
Do it for Dale.
Dale would be upset.
Dale would be really upset.
Dale done crashed a time or two. Let her eat, son.